Alright, so let us get acquainted with the power law for logarithms for this lesson. Okay, say if you have log base a to x to the power of r. Now, this r can be brought down here. What I mean is you can write it as r log base a to x. Now, of course, we are only dealing with positive numbers because it's logarithm. So a and x must be greater than 0. Okay, a cannot be equal to 1. Okay, for any real number of r. Okay. So, example. Okay, we have log 3 2 to the power of 4. Log base 3 to 2 to the power of 4. Okay, you can bring 4 down to 4 log 3 2. Okay, or if you have log 2 base 2 to x to the power of minus 3, you can bring it down to minus 3 log 2 to the power of x. Okay, and if you have log 5 to the power of root x, okay, you can represent this as log 5. Root x can be written as x to the power half. Okay, you can bring the half down, you get half log 5 base 5 to x. Alright, so this is how we do it. I'll probably give you one last example, a bit of a not too hard. Okay, let's take a look at this. Log, okay, base 2 to 2 times root 2. Okay, now this is log 2. Okay, this is 2 dot 2 to the power half. Okay, now according to law of indices, you can just add the powers 1 and half. So this becomes log 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Now you know that log base a to a will give you 1. Okay, right? So anyway, we proceed to bring this down first, make it look neat. So 3 over 2, bring it down, okay, and then log base 2 to 2. There you go. This will give you 1, isn't it? Okay, so the answer is 3 over 2. Alright.